The Lakewood Center. Hoping to find something. Usually hit this spot up last, and that's because there was one specific thing I wanted. And this spot they got the orange ones, but not the blue ones. I am a fan of these. Size 12 only, so smaller sizes are gone. Still got these, the Kobe 8 Halos right here. Should I have grabbed these? I'm not a fan of these. I'm not a fan of the 4s, 5s, or 9s. They have multiple sizes because they have multiple displays. They even got a few more of these men's kid sizes right here. This is a size 4 on display. And the reason I did come, I wanted to see if I should grab one of these. I probably should. Since I haven't gotten my hands on any of the other Kobe's, I might as well get these. The leather seems to be a little better than the typical Jordan or typical Air Forces. Yeah, the leather does seem to be better. You're still going to see a crease on these, though. You are still going to see a crease. It does have Kobe's signature up front. These don't really have resale, unlike the black ones. That's why these haven't sold out like that. But I might have to see if they have a size 10. Let's see. I've been checking out on all the Kobe's, so might as well grab these. All right, the biggest is a 9.5. This is the 9.5, the one, or one of the ones that's out on display. Forces do run really big. They do run really big. 9.5 might work because they do run really big. And my feet are touching the front, but they do work technically. They do work. I'm thinking about it. I am thinking about it. These 9.5s fit like a 10, in my opinion. They fit like a typical size 10 Nike. Man, thinking about it. And some spots did sell this for $130. They got them at $150 at Shoe Palace, and I think that's one of the reasons why it sold out here way later than everywhere else. I don't know. Let me think about it. And they do have 5 million Air Forces. These carbon fiber looking ones. I haven't seen that. That is new. $120 for those. Okay, got a million different forces. Full forces down to $50 freaking dollars. That definitely is cheap. And these KD4s, I don't think I've ever seen these. Did these just release? These released. These as well. Oh, I forgot to show you guys these Kobe 5s, the year of the Mamba. I just don't like that plastic material that they use on the 5s. Almost all the 5s use that synthetic leather, like plastic feeling material. That's why I haven't grabbed any of the Kobe 4s or 5s. Man, they do got these men's sizes for $200. This is interesting. I've never seen these. Never seen these Go Fly E's right here. These are size 10.5. Why do these look so huge? These are 10.5 right here. All kinds of flavoring on those bad boys. And then days after Jordan 1 release, this is the Jordan section. Those of you guys with the eagle eyes did see that they do have these bad boys right here, the black toes. Yeah, these are definitely different, dude. Definitely different with that right there. Supposedly, it's originally when Jordan took his first promo picture with these on, they didn't have the Wings logo developed, so they had this on there. That's why they reimagined it with this. That is interesting. $180. I'm gonna have to get these, but hopefully I can find one at the outlets. I'm gonna have to do some research on how many are at each stores. Like they're almost sold out or what. $125 for these, all suede Jordan 1 lows. I don't think I've ever seen these. $125. These look dope for Jordan 1. Regular Jordan 1 low. They do got one of these left over. Huge size 13 only though. And then we've been seeing these on sale. What do these go for? $130. Same price we've seen at the outlets, right? I think some spots have had them on sale. Additional 30% off. But yeah, nothing too crazy right here in the Jordan section. Foot Lockers haven't been too interesting, but we still gotta check. And I'm definitely glad I came here because they do have these, the Swarovski Jaw 2s right here. The black labels, and it does have Swarovski crystals all along the side. I think these go for like $250 or something, yeah. $250 for these bad boys, and even shows the little Swarovski thing right here. Yeah, I did see it. I think Ballin' on a Budget picked one of these up. Definitely a surprise to see those. Do they have any of the other Swarovski or the other black editions for Nike basketball? No, that's the only one. That's the only one because they did a bunch of different shoes for those. They still got these here. That's definitely a surprise. Air more up tempos, the OG Olympic colorway right here, and then they still got the Kobe 9 Elites. Got the red, got the black, and then also got the Mambas right here. So pretty decent selection, especially got these all in men's sizes. I just realized the side of these look way different than the other Jatu, the scratch versions. You can see the scratch on it with all the Swarovskis. That's crazy. Okay. Definitely interesting to see those out and about. $250 for Jaws, kind of crazy. And then look at that. What's going on here? Watch, I want to show you guys the price. Look, $130 here, $130 here. I doubt they have my size, but I'll ask. This is 7.5 on display. There's no way they got my size though. Yeah, they don't have any. They don't have any here. But yeah, this is crazy to see the price difference between here and Shoe Palace on these. They do that at some of the Shoe Palaces, or not some of the Shoe Palaces. They do that with some of the releases. Like I've seen that in the past. It's not too common though, but they do that. But it makes it available. So is it worth it? If I can get those for $150 as opposed to having to pay resale with all the fees and stuff. They got the forums right here. I saw these at the Foot Locker outlet. I was like, $15, what? But yeah, they are $30 here. Still a hell of a bargain. And then we see them coming out with new colorways of the Superstars. Got black on white. I got another black on white, I guess. Okay. Multiple majority whites, and then got these all black ones with the suede. I haven't really seen too many suede Superstars, so that's pretty dope. What did those go for? Those go for $100. All right, we found some interesting stuff at Foot Locker. Maybe here too. Do got a pair of 6s, the Olympics right there. Haven't gone on sale here yet. Seen the Jordan Hydro Slides on sale right here. Not a huge sale, but at least something. The Hydro 3 wet cements, or the gray cements right there. Also got the 11 right here. Okay. Got the metallic black 5 Hydros right here. No Kobe Forces here though. Not a surprise. That is dope. They do got one of these though, 70% off. Anything good though? Adidas Mexico shirt right here. Anything else? Just a bunch of t-shirts it looks like. Yeah, if you could find something dope. Right here, is that a Jamaica one? The Jamaica 55, that is a small, it's a super thick shirt. And these are all Adidas shorts right here. Go for 70% off. Anything going on at the Chic right here? It's a pretty big one. This is one of the few spots that has both the blue and the orange patent leather. I really like these with the super fat laces right here. These ain't bad, dude. I don't really like patent leather. Love the way they look, but I don't like them on my feet for some reason. I don't know. But yeah, $120 for these. No Kobe Forces though. Damn, maybe I should have just bought those. No, I didn't have the cash back then, that's why. This is their Jordan section right here. They still got those 4s right here. 9s. Those the metallic, or reverse metallic black 5s. Not seeing too many other retros. That's definitely a surprise. I see a bunch of mids and stuff. Still got the Howard 1 low OGs right here, as well as the Concord, as well as the Space Jam mids. And got some 1 high OGs right here, as well as 2 more on top. I still got the Barons right here. I was hoping to find these on sale. Have not found these at any. Oh, did I find these at a Nike outlet? I don't know. But I haven't found too many of these, to be really honest. On sale, like I was hoping. Right here, got some of the Spizikes, the 2-3s, some of the non-signatures. Got some of these right. Ooh, never seen these. I've never seen these dunks right here. Snakeskin. That slightly purplish hue right there. Okay. All right, these are definitely interesting. A little different. $125. And they got racks and racks of dunks. Did they come up with this many dunk colorways? Holy cow. Off-season items right here. Starting to see some Calm slides on sale, even at the retail stores. $30 $40 for those. Then they got these new Croc looking things with React X comfort rides. They got 3 different colorways already. Okay, they look comfortable. Not something I would wear though. And they do have some Yeezys here. Yeezy 350 V2s. I don't know what colorway this is though. But yeah, $230 for these, not on sale. And then Harden Volume 9s. First time I've ever seen these in hand. These definitely look futuristic. Play basketball against some aliens or something. Definitely look interesting. Definitely look sleek. Not bulky at all. These are definitely interesting. I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm not the hugest fan of these. I've been a huge fan of the Hardens in general, but yeah, 160 for these. Finish line's way on the other side of the mall. This is like the 15th biggest mall in the United States. Something. It's a bigger mall. I think they include Costco. They cheat. They include Costco and Target. I think that's why it comes out to so big square footage wise. But I don't know if I want to walk all the way that way. They do have Extreme Board Shop right here. If you guys like SB Dunks, they got all the SB Dunk releases. And they still have a fans. I'm still wondering if I should grab those Kobe Air Forces. They're like, hey, we have a clearance rack right here. Like, you guys have always had a clearance rack. Of course, they were in the front, but now they're in the back. No additional sales. Everything is priced as marked. We have a bunch of AD jerseys, of course. $75 normally. What is it normally? $120. And Luka Doncic as well. I bet these are the same price, $75. Yep. We got them in multiple sizes, multiple colorways. I think these are kids. Are these kids? Yeah, kids XL right here. Yeah, youth, $45 for the youth ones. All their t-shirts pretty much free. No, $20 still. Still $20 for these t-shirts. Come on now. Checking the other rack. This will fit some of you ladies, right? Some of y'all ladies like to be a little revealing when you guys dressed. $15. Or if you have a kid, I guess too. $5 kids t-shirt. Any Vancouver fans? $5, dude. With some of these things, you don't really need an extra discount. Some you do. Right? That's like $20. Little much for me. Only because we've seen some of this stuff for way cheap. $90 for this weird bird jersey right here. Yeah, I got t-shirts and stuff, but nothing too crazy. Ooh, another $5 t-shirt right here. That is a small Pittsburgh shirt right here. $15 for this. Oh, is that Tyreek Hill? Tyreek Hill t-shirt. Dodgers New Era hoodie. This thing's pretty freaking nice. This thing's really nice. New Era. $82 normally, $110. Some of these things, discounts are there, but not quite what we like. $10 for this 47 brand Lakers shirt. That's what's up. The matching hoodie, $56, normally $90. Vegas Nike t-shirts, $15, normally $44. So not too bad. What's this? I thought this was a Boston shirt. No, it's Angels, $15. Lakers shorts, $40. Those are small Mitchell & Ness. Tentacumpo, we're going for $90. And do got a Micah Parsons. This is a kids jersey. This is a kids large. Yeah, youth large. Still $90. I don't know what's up with all these jerseys with the flowers on them. I'm like, who's gonna buy that? $113 for the Grant Hill. Okay, they got stuff, but nothing crazy. All right, I walked over here. I did it. Holy crap! Nobody's in here. This side of the mall is way dead. But they do got the ones. Got plenty of one. Black toes right here. Got dunks going for $60 right here in the little last chance section. I was like, what's this? Oh no, these are grade school. I was like, why are those so cheap? And yeah, man, this is why I was like, I shouldn't even walk here because they don't have that much. They got a sales rack, but nothing too crazy. Like, we know these are gonna have to keep going down for people to buy these. Wait, but this is in the last chance section, so this is the last one? People have been buying these? Crazy Infinities? Nobody's been buying these. Stop. I've never seen these on anybody's feet. Got some mids right here. Nothing crazy. You know what? I think I'm gonna Yeah, I made the decision. I think I'm gonna pass. I think I'm gonna pass on those Kobe's. I don't wear Air Forces. I rarely ever wear Air Forces, even my white ones. I gave them away because I don't really wear Air Forces like that. I don't. So why would I start wearing them now? And the Air Force Kobe's, they're not even a perfect fit. They're not even a perfect fit. So why would I buy them just to buy them? Yeah, let's see what's on feet. Do got the Nostalgia 4s right here. I think they also call them what, the Crimson, bright Crimson Jordan 4s. A lot of people really hated those little vein thingies right there. They're like, it looks like an alien vein. Like, what the hell, dude? People didn't like that, which made it super easy to get, especially at $100. I think I got these at $100 at Shoe Palace, which is pretty crazy. But yeah, that's the outfit for the day. This is more the dead part of the mall right here. Then you could see the rest of the mall. You could even see the Target. There's no way this is one of the biggest malls. It's like the 15th or 16th square footage wise, I believe. I think that Target in the end, I think that adds to the square footage. And there's a little offshoot right here. That's where the XB as well as the fans is. But there's also Round One and a Costco over there. I think that's what's included in the square footage as well. But yeah, most of the sneaker shops right here got Chic right here, got Champs, Foot Locker, also got Shoe Palace. All right, that's this mall, you guys. Lakewood, the Lakewood Mall. It's Tuesday already? Is it already? Holy cow. Oh man, you need to box out, fools. You need to box out. The hell? Feet feeling a little bit better. But yeah, got my Jordan 38s. I freaking love these for hoops. So freaking awesome for hoops. One of them fools got reverse Grinches outdoors. This Foot Locker, they do have these Jaw 2s right here. These bad boys got Swarovski all along the sides. And this is one of Nike Basketball's Black Label releases. We got Swarovski crystals all along the lateral side, as well as the medial side with this interesting Nike logo. Tongue also got Swarovski crystals on it, so pretty cool. John Moran logo, got his number, some interesting sayings on the bottom. Definitely an interesting release, definitely different than the norm. Would y'all pay $250 though? That's the real question. $250 for these bad boys right here. And they do got those bad boys chilling here out in Lakewood.